All right, here we go with the first pillar of the well-architected framework, which is operational excellence. So this pillar has several design principles which are very important we need to know for the exam. The first one is operation as code. It is recommended to deploy your infrastructure as code rather than configuring it manually, as this helps you avoid mistakes and makes it reproducible. The second design principle is to make small reversible changes. So it's better to roll out small updates to your application, website, infrastructure piece by piece rather than doing it all in one go, because that helps you observe how those small changes are impacting your users, and you can roll back if necessary. Refine frequently. This refers to the procedures that you have. So regularly refine and update your procedures and communicate changes to the teams. Anticipate failure. This is very important to make sure we're not always just reactive to failure, but we're also proactive about it. Of course, there's failure that you can't anticipate, things that you can't even imagine would have happened, but the things that you can anticipate, you should be anticipating them. And one useful trick here is to use something like chaos engineering, where you turn off different components of your system from time to time to see what happens. Learn from failures. You have to be learning from all failures. In Amazon internally, they do a certain process where they actually write up, they spend time writing up the learnings they gained from each failure, and that helps them not let those things happen again. Use managed services. This refers to using managed services such as RDS rather than deploying your own database on EC2 and patching it and managing it yourself. And this helps you reduce the amount of work, but also ensure that everything's streamlined because Amazon's managing for you. And implement observability. So this is very important to ensure you have KPIs or key performance indicators, and you are extracting actionable insights from the data you're getting about how your systems are running, so you can make the necessary changes or take the necessary actions. So there you go. That's the pillar of operational excellence and the design principles that you need to know for the exam. Here's a quick summary of what we discussed, and I look forward to seeing you back here next time. Until then, enjoy the cloud.